Hello, namaste, and a very good evening to all the viewers of Bharat TV, Bharat FM. Viewers, in today's modern Bharat, we need to examine a question that is at the heart of modern India. Is spiritual freedom in a rising superpower under pressure? As India projects confidence on the global stage, there are debates around faith, belief, and personal conscience, and such debates are becoming sharper at home. So, across traditions and communities, spiritual expression has long been woven into India's identity. Today, changing laws, social expectations, and political narratives are reshaping how that freedom is experienced. So, dear viewers, welcome to the 13th episode of Bharat Awakens. In this episode, we will explore whether India's spiritual pluralism is being strengthened, challenged, or redefined in its journey toward superpower status. Today, once again, we welcome our special guests. We have Professor Narayanan Komerath, Sri Shashank Davanagere, the IT professional who has been in USA for quite some time. We have Dr. Nivedita Haran, who's a retired IAS officer, and Professor Narayanan Komerath, as we all know, he was the professor at in Atlanta. Right now, he's settled in India. And we have a very special guest, Sri Ganesh from Tamil Nadu. And thank you so much to all of you for joining. And Ganeshji, I would request you to please introduce yourself briefly to our audience who are all over the world and also in Bharat. And we'll come back to discuss your work.
Namaste, everyone. I'm Ganesh Virupakshan. I'm an IT engineer consulting for Department of Veterans Affairs in Florida. I've been in US for about 28 years, and I have two beautiful daughters. One is studying neuroscience in the local university here, Nova Southeastern, and the younger one is a 12th grader. Um, I do a lot of work in the for Hindu causes in US as well as in India. I started getting involved after seeing the plight of Indian temples, especially in Tamil Nadu, like the gross negligence by the government and the corrupt temple administrators. We'll look at more of what we do um, as the program goes. Thanks, Ms. Anjali.
Thank you, Ganeshji. And actually, really thanks to you from the bottom of our hearts because we know there is a lot that you are doing for our temples, and we do feel a sense of hope only because of people like you. So, thank you for joining our program.